Today we are going to use Amazon's most wished for page to find products buyers intend to get next. Do not hunt through menus because the link can move by region and device. Type the address directly into your browser, enter amazon.com/gp/most-wished-for, then replace .com with your local marketplace if you are in the United Kingdom, India, Canada, or elsewhere. That direct path opens the live lists. Most wished for shows items that shoppers add to wish lists and registries most often. Think of it as an intent board. These products are not necessarily the top sellers yet, but they have clear interest and gift potential. Your job is to read what people plan to buy soon, then shape an offer that removes the last barriers to purchase. Ask what is driving the wish. Is it giftability, a planned goal such as safety or convenience, a style preference, a special occasion, a price people are waiting to see, or a customization option they want? When you arrive, choose how you want to explore. The first option is to browse the most wished for homepage for a broad snapshot across categories. The second option is targeted. Use the list on the left to switch into a single category. For example, click patio, lawn, and garden to see only the items wishlisted in that space. Start broad if you want ideas, go narrow if you already know your lane. Use most wished for to find ideas where you can add gift, readiness, personalization, or clarity that converts intent into orders. If an item is wishlisted for a goal, include the tools and guidance to start on day one. If it is wishlisted as a gift, lean into packaging, variants, and simple sizing. Always think through logistics and returns. Bulky items can crush margins. Fragile or heat-sensitive items need protective packaging and clear care instructions. Build differentiation with proof shots and short demonstrations that answer the last questions a buyer has before clicking Add to Cart. Now let us make this concrete with 2 product examples you can study. In Unique Finds, the River of Goods-led boho ceiling fan with hand-woven brown and natural rope, macrame knotwork and hemp rope style, eclectic cottage decor, 52-inch length by 52-inch width, with rich barnwood and light driftwood fan blades. Items like this land on wish lists during remodels, new home setups, or seasonal refreshes because they combine lighting, airflow, and a statement look. To convert wish list intent, buyers need certainty on airflow, noise, fit, and installation. Airflow needs a clear CFM number and a simple room size chart. Noise needs a quiet motor claim supported by a decibel range at low, medium, and high. Fit needs downward options, ceiling height guidance, and a slope ceiling rating with a maximum angle in degrees. Installation needs a clear hardware list, wiring diagram, and a 3-step photo sequence, plus a QR code to a short install video. Typical blockers include confusion over tilt head versus flush mount options, missing slope adapters, unclear LED specifications, and fear of complex wiring. An improvement plan would include a reversible motor for summer and winter use, a lumen and color temperature table with warm, neutral, and cool presets, true dimming support, a compatibility note for remote and wall controls, and care guidance for cleaning the rope and macrame so dust does not build up. Packaging should be double boxed with blade sleeves and rope protection to prevent crushing. Logistics require oversized shipping, planning, and spare parts support for blades, remotes, and LED modules. In home and kitchen, the Mixaid silicone liners for KitchenAid Tilt head 5-quart mixers with 3 liners and 3 lids. These appear on wish lists because they promise less cleanup and fewer extra bowls. To convert wish intent, buyers need certainty about compatibility, hygiene, and everyday practicality. Typical blockers include model confusion between tilt head and bowl lift, fit tolerance issues, staining or odor, lids that pop off, and unclear heat or dishwasher ratings. An improvement plan would include a compatibility chart that lists exact KitchenAid model numbers, a fit tolerance note with a simple check, BPA-free and food-grade confirmations, stain-resistant color choices, a tested dishwasher and temperature range, and a pour spout or measurement marks for batter control. Show a clean sequence with liner in the bowl, mixing, pouring, lidding, and fridge storage. Bundle extra lids or a scraper spatula. Logistics are easy due to low weight and stackable packaging, but you must protect the liners from deformation in transit and include a care card to extend life. Here is how you will use this in practice. Scan the top rows to spot themes, then scroll deeper for items with modest reviews and clear room to improve. Open promising listings in new tabs and decide what is driving wishlist intent. Capture only what matters: the core benefits from bullets, the freshest friction points from reviews, any sizing, care, or set up confusion from questions, and signs of gift readiness, such as packaging and personalization. audit photos, and copy for gaps. From this pass, shortlist 3 to 5 items. For each, note the primary wishlist driver, the top 2 blockers to buying now, 1 improvement you can deliver, and 1 gift or convenience bundle idea. If the product remains attractive at a normal price and the logistics make sense, keep it on your list for development. In the next lesson, we will build on this foundation and take your product research skills even further. That wraps up this lesson. See you in the next one.